I'm back from the shops and I have a very special package. So what we have here is Luxe lashes. So what it is a tint and eyelash lift set to get my eyelashes lifted. I've not done so in a couple of months, which is, look how straight they are. I saw this online and I had to try it, so let's do it. We'll do this together. This could go horribly wrong, but I gotta try it. So it comes with adhesive, lotion, lash lift set. I think there's 2. I don't know how many sets are in here. I think there might be two of them in here. Applicators, nourish lotion. So it's got all the bits that I need. I had the silicone pad. So then it says to apply the adhesive. This looks like a lip gloss. You put it all over and then use one of these sticks, I don't know which one you use, to like stick the lashes up, if that makes sense. This is not the best. It's not sticking completely. I've seen other people do videos of this and they've had exactly the same issue. Put the glue on here, I guess. Oh. And then I'm just sticking them up with the applicator. This is where we're at currently. Not too bad. I think the lashes that are like closer to the center, your inner corner, are hard to get in, but the ones in the middle are not too bad. Oh, okay. I think you use a swab in this. It smells like hair dye. That's how it normally smells when I get my lashes done. So I'm wiping the perm off. It's been 12 minutes. Just like this. This is how we're currently doing. I can do a tint set, but I think I'm going to do that in another video. For now, I am going to remove it because that is literally the last thing. So final touches, remove the silicone pad and then basically cleanse it. Use a damp cotton pad with a small amount of water or Luxe cleanser to clean the lashes. So that's what I'm going to do. Oh god, ow, ow, ow. Look at that. All over my eyelids. I'm going to wash this off and then come back to you. So it did say to clean like everything off, and then it said to apply the nourishing lotion. I am really scared that I've not been able to wipe it all off. So I don't want my eyelashes to be like singed off. And my hands are covered in oil. The only thing is that all of these come in like little pouches, so it literally leaks everywhere once you open it, which is the only downside, but the oil is lovely. This is a finished look. This is without the tint. When I get my lashes done, I always get them tinted. This is without the tint. So I'll do before and after side by side. So you can see, and I think it turned out decently well. It does definitely look like I've curled my lashes. Stay tuned to the next video and I will do a tint on my lashes and my eyebrows. Still perm on it. That's the only negative, is that the whole cleaning thing, it's not clear about what you can and cannot use to clean your lids with, because I've got like makeup remover and cleansers, but I don't want something that's going to react with the perm or anything like that. So far, so good. Do you see me tint my lashes and my eyebrows? Let me know in the comment section. Bye.